Let's see how to adjust iPad volume without button. In the first step, open Settings. Now go to Accessibility. Later, choose Touch. In the next step, select Assistive Touch. After that, enable Assistive Touch. Now press the floating icon. In the next step, click Device. Now press Volume Up or Volume Down. In the next step, pull down from the top right side, then move the volume slider. In the next step, say Hey Siri. After that, request to raise or lower the volume. You are good to go.